Hello students, another measure of central tendency is the mode. The mode can be computed for both quantitative data and qualitative data. In a previous video I showed you how to compute the modes for quantitative data. In this video I will show you one method to compute the mode for qualitative data. In this sheet I have a list of colors in column F and I would like to find the mode. So for qualitative data, you will need to find the frequency of each of these colors, and then the highest frequency is going to be the mode of the data. Now you can use the COUNTIF function. I will show you in a different video how to use that. But in this video, I will show you how to use pivot tables. So because I'm using pivot tables, I'm going to label my column. I will call it color. And then I'm going to select that column and then insert, and then I will choose pivot table from table range. As you can see here, the table range is highlighted. It is choosing to go to a new worksheet. I'm going to click OK. Now you can see here there is this sheet right here. I see here my label, which is the color, and I have some boxes here. The first box is filters, columns, rows, and values. So I want to make these into rows. So I'm just going to click and drag and drop it in the rows section. As you can see, created a table with all of the possible colors that I have. And now I want to find the value of each one, so I'm going to drag the color and drop it in the value section. As you can see here, the black is 1, the blue is 4, the brown is 2, and etc. So that is basically the frequency or the count of the color. Now the highest count is the blue, which means the mode for this data is blue. So for this data, the mode was blue. This is how we're going to use pivot tables in case we have qualitative data. And this is one of the methods. I will show you the other method. And you can come up with your own methods as long as you know what to do with the Excel functions. I hope this helps, and I will see you in a different video.